Are you a beginner who has a lot of difficulties and fears about executing encapsulated arts? My name is Camilla Gazeta, and in this video I will teach you the complete step-by-step guide on how to make a glitter cascade on the F1 mold with gel. I will start by showing you the glitter of my choice to make this cascade. The gel I will use to make the construction is a clear gel. This is a gel with very good viscosity for you who are starting out with the F1 mold. The clear gel for me to make the entire encapsulation art inside the mold. The mold I will use is the square one. I have already made the mold measurement and the preparation of my nail before starting the video. Now I make the mark on the mold. I first do the size of the extension, and here where I will do the blending for the cascade to be all messy. I start by applying the clear gel with a thin layer and make a quick drying. I come with a second layer of clear gel as well, nothing too much, right? Now in this thin layer, I will use this brush. I squeezed it in the palm of my hand so that the bristles are this way. This makes it easier to apply the glitter. And since the second layer of gel is still wet, I can make it exactly the way I want. And I can still make it the way I want by looking from above. And when everything is right, I hit the flashlight to harden that glitter in the gel. Now I will start the entire extension construction. Do you want to know if you've already left your like here for this video? Your like is very important for the channel. Take advantage and subscribe now. Activate notifications so you can be notified every time I bring content to you here on the channel. So now I come building my entire extension without excess product in the cuticle area. I will work the side walls, stress point, and free edge. This is exactly where you have to concentrate your product. Look from above. This is the time to check and see if there are bubbles, cotton threads, hair. In short, this is the time for you to make any kind of correction. Now I'm going to do the coupling. I'm going to hold it here lightly and hit the flashlight close to the cuticle area for only 6 seconds. It's just to harden a little. Here below I correct. I also make a pre-drying with the flashlight and take it to the cabin for 20 seconds. I did this because I decided to make a pre-curve, okay? If you serve a client who has a wide finger, you can do this harmonization on her finger by making a pre-curve. Now I'm going to remove the mold here. There's no secret. You just have to press on the tip and it comes out very easily. And look how cool! The decoration already comes out practically ready. This technique in the F1 mold already solves all your difficulties, all your fears of making a glitter cascade and other more complex encapsulated arts. Then I do the entire manual sanding of the tip and sides. Immediately afterwards, I start the motorized sanding. In the cuticle area, I use the tungsten straight drill to do all the cleaning and remove any mold burrs. With the curve drill, I make the curve and take advantage to do the correction below. For a premium finish of the motorized sanding, I use the 718 diamond drill. For the final finish, I use the polishing file, thus removing all the markings of the file and drills, leaving everything ready for the extension to receive the application of the top coat. The top coat is extremely important in extensions. It is not only used to give shine, it has the function of protecting the extension. So I seal both from above and from below without excess product so that it does not drip into the cuticle area and cause a detachment or future infiltration. Remembering that it is also very important for you to have good tools so that you can perform your work in the best possible way. Now my extension is ready, the nail is already finished and hydrated with cuticle oil. My glitter cascade is ready, short nail and a super easy, super simple to make using F1 mold with gel. If you have any questions, leave them here for me in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next video.